Hello and good afternoon, everybody over at Bessine Electric. My name is Josh here at Midwest Valley Marketing. Wanted to shoot this custom video for you guys, showing how you guys can start increasing traffic and sales from your website. A few of the things we're going to go over are your website, what it entails and what it may need. Things like content and backlinks, as well as that SEO side of things as well. We'll also touch base on the Google My Business profile portion of the Google search engine as well. So with that, we have your website right here. Got a good looking website. I like the little icons you guys have. You have 24/7 emergency services. That's great. You got a phone number. I see it's a click to call. So on mobile, that works well. You got a few reviews here, but you guys don't have a lot of content otherwise. You got the video, but your guys' website needs content. The average homepage should have anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content, and each of your service pages should have about 750 words of content also. And how we want to figure out good content is we want to figure out certain keywords that people are searching, for this industry. So one thing we can do is we can figure out what keywords you guys currently have. We can take that and we can put it in my tool here called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a paid tool that we like to use. It gives us a good guideline, but there is free softwares out there that can allow you to do the same exact thing. So we're going to go back into the keywords here. It shows that you guys are currently using 24 organic keywords on your website, and we can figure out what those are by going into them. We'll also touch base on backlinks here in a second. But so the keywords you guys are currently using are electricians, Burlington, Iowa. It's got 50 search volume, vice versa. It goes all the way down. David Electric, you guys are getting 450 for that. Dave's not here, Burlington, Iowa. That's funny, but it's working. So I guess good for you guys. And same thing with the backlinks, right? We can go and we can figure out what kinds of backlinks you guys are using. But you're probably wondering, why do I need to know what I currently have when it may or may not be working for us, right? And what we want to do is we actually want to compare that to your top competitor when we search things like electricians in Iowa, right? We have Mr. Electric, we've got custom electrical services. We're going to take custom electrical services and we're going to go to their website. These guys are doing something and it's working for them. So let's figure out what they're doing. Same thing, right? We want to figure out what they have for backlinks, what they're currently targeting for keywords, and we want to go out and get all of them and then so much more. We want to be able to blow these guys out of the water so that way you can rank in the search engines in no time and start getting all these traffic and all these customers to your guys' website. So here we go. We're back here. I take a quick look at your numbers. Roughly our 17 organic traffic. And we are going to see what is possible when we start adding more keywords and more backlinks to our website. We want to figure out what keywords that these guys are using and it's working for them, right? They have custom electrical. Obviously their name does not relevate to you, but something like electricians, Ames, Iowa, 150. Des Moines electrician, 450. Electrical services getting 6,400 search volume every single month, right? So we want to go out and we want to target all of these really good keywords and get them into our content on our website. Same thing with our backlinks, right? We want to just absolutely blow our numbers out of the water in order to start competing with these guys. And then we also have the Google My Business section or the Google Map Pack on the search engine as well, right? So when we type in a keyword like electricians Iowa, we have 3 that pop up. Mr. Electric, Custom Electrical. And the first thing I see is they have 600 almost reviews. These guys have 423 reviews. These guys have 413, right? So we want to get hundreds more reviews. We also have Google Ads that pop up on here as well. Google Ads are great. When I found you guys, like I said, I think we're at the bottom of the middle of the 3rd page. Where are we at? Right here. 11 reviews, 11 5-star reviews. So you guys are doing great work. You just need more reviews. Probably some more photos as well, maybe even a few citations. But with that being said, I really hope this video helps you guys out in any way, shape, or form. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach back out to me in my email. All of my contact information is attached on my signature at the bottom of the email as well. With that being said, everybody over at Bessine Electric, my name is Josh Nelson. You guys have a great day.